Find hair-friendly protective hairstyle that can grow your hair, prevent your hair from breaking, and actually help you reach your hair goals. So I'm going to share with you how I was able to achieve this look by simply doing it myself. So let's get straight into that. The extension I'm going to be using for this look is from Amigos. It's very easy for you to find, and I love how the texture feels. I actually went ahead to soak this in hot water to loosen the texture a little bit and to make it a little bit more movable and not stiff for the look I'm going with. So I decided to go into sectioning this hair into two. Initially, I was going for a short look and I was actually considering cutting it into three, but I want this hair to be quite long because it's been a while since I actually had long hair, and I've been doing mini twists and braids without extensions for such a long time that I really need to switch up my look. And when it comes to switching up your look with fine hair, it can be very difficult because adding extensions to your hair can actually cause your hair to break. So I have to find hacks and ways I can actually find hairstyles that are not just mini twists and braids constantly, because I've been doing it for a year plus, and to be honest, I'm actually tired. So I actually came up with using French curls for my last protective hairstyle. I used French curls and did like a boohoo leave out situation, and it felt like there was nothing on my hair. So I was like, why not try it with a kinky hair that is similar to your hair texture and see how it looks? Maybe to give like you having locks or dreads. Initially, I was going for a short look, but I ended up going for a long look. What I did was to fluff out the ends because when I cut it was blunt. So just to fluff it out a little bit so that when you're twisting or you're trying to get the look, it doesn't like unravel and it just helps the hair to stay together. So let's get into making this hair. I started off with daylight and we're almost done and it's night. That's one thing about doing your hair yourself. You have to be patient. You honestly have to be patient. I'm just going to show you why this protective hairstyle can work for fine hair. You can see my ends. This is clearly still my hair. That's why I love this hairstyle so much. So the hack I'm going to give to you guys is just use one bundle. Like I just used only one pack of hair and it's enough. So when you're using this for the back of my hair, I added like three or two leave out situation. But when you get to the front of your hair, because of how you don't want your hair to look too full at the front, you want it to lay flat. So the hack is add more hair at the back. Then when you get to the front, you're just going to do only one leave out situation. The hair is not complicated. If you watch my previous video, when it comes to adding the hair to your actual natural hair, you're just simply going to make sure that when you're braiding your hair, you continue with the braids. So I'm just going to show it to you quickly. So I'm just making sure that my pattern is clear and I have my hair with me. So like I said, I'm just going to use only one single so how hair. I'm going to explain is that when you're braiding your hair, do not overthink it. Just braid as you would normally would when you're doing your normal braids. Don't think of adding like you're adding an extension to your hair, even though you would get confused and lose the flow of your braid. And another thing I'm going to tell you is that when you're done braiding your hair, you're just going to make sure to fluff it out so that it gives that look. The first thing I did was actually going with a loose twist, then now fluff it out. So when you're braiding or adding the extensions to your hair, and you should make sure that the extension you leave a little bit in your braid so that it's more secured, so that it doesn't end up falling off when you're styling your hair, or like it's not loose. So that's what I'm going to tell you. So with this hairstyle, the extension itself does not have weight. That's the reason why it's fine hair friendly. It does not have weight. There's no added weight to your hair. It feels like there is nothing on your hair, and that's why you would actually notice that your hair would not break. Another reason is that you're not adding extensions to your hair per se. It's still your typical braids when you're doing braids with an extension, because you're just doing only leave out situation on that part or section, small section of your hair. So in hindsight, it's actually still your natural hair. And when you want to do your routine, I can't wait to share with you how I'm going to be doing my routine with this hair, because I'm like, when I had my French curls, it tangled over time, so I had to like take it out after the first month and a half, or like the first month. I don't think it got to like a month and a half. I had to take it out. But when you're using something similar to your hair texture, You can get away with the freeze, and you can get away with like doing a hair refresh. Like all those videos, you're going to see it from me how I'm managing this hair and how I'm going to continue to do my moisture and wash day routine. It might look a little bit different, but we're still going to be taking care of our hair in this protective hairstyle. So I really can't wait for you guys to see all of that. But what I would say is that I really enjoyed the process of making my hair because I get to see or challenge myself in certain areas. Like I thought of this hairstyle in my head and I brought it out. So that's when you have fine hair or you have a hair type, it's good to listen and understand your hair. If you're noticing that your extensions are breaking your hair is falling off your edge, you're losing your edges, I think it's time to switch to just doing braids, or I would say start with doing only braids and twist without extensions. Then you can slowly go into adding a little bit of extensions, and please make sure you're picking the right one for your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this hair, and when we're done, I'm going to come back and explain a few bits. So this is the final look of this hair. I love it so much and it's super lightweight. Like it feels like there is nothing on my hair. I'm so excited on how I can style this hair and do my routine. But I love it so much. Like this is so fine hair friendly. And if you want to try this out, you can just follow my steps. It's very easy to do. And yeah, I love it so much. There's so many ways you can style this, and I can't wait to style it with you guys. And yeah, that's going to be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Love you guys so much. Bye.